Today we are going to make homemade condensed milk. For this recipe we need only these ingredients. Out of these ingredients we can make around 280 gram to 300 grams of condensed milk. First, in a big pan we need to heat fresh milk and sugar under medium heat. While heating, we need to continuously stir this mixture. When the mixture reduces to half, reduce the flame to low and heat more. When the mixture comes to thick consistency, turn off the flame. Don't heat the mixture more than this level. While cools down even, this gets thicker. Now we need to add baking soda. Don't add baking soda a lot, just add a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda gives a smooth and creamy texture to our condensed milk. Then we need to transfer this condensed milk into a different bowl and let it cool down completely. This is our homemade condensed milk. You can use this to make any kinds of sweets and cakes. Let's meet again with another delicious recipe. Till then, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.